Good morning. Today we are going to continue our lesson, the matter. And as we mentioned before, that matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. Solid has definite shape and volume. Liquid has indefinite shape but definite volume. And gas has indefinite shape and volume. Okay? And now, can I change any matter from one state to another, like from ice to water? Yes, we can change any matter from one state to another by heating or cooling. By heating or cooling. Okay, so we can change any matter from one state to another by heating or cooling. And there are four processes to change the matter from one state to another. Number one, melting, melting, freezing, freezing, evaporation, evaporation, and condensation, condensation. Okay, so again, melting, freezing, evaporation, and condensation. And now, let's start with the first process is melting. Melting is a change from solid to liquid by heating. Melting is a change from solid into liquid by heating. Like ice, ice here will change into liquid by heating from the sun. And this process is called melting. Melting, okay? Also here, butter is a solid, but after heating, it will change into liquid like that. And this process is called melting, melting, okay? Ice cream, by heating, will change into liquid like that. And this process is called melting, super. This bar of chocolate is a solid or liquid? Solid, right? But after heating, it will still solid? No. After heating, it will change into liquid like that. Okay? And this process is called melting. So melting is a change from solid into liquid by heating. Okay? Melting is a change from solid into liquid by heating. And now, if I want to change my water into ice again, is also by heating? No, it will be by cooling, And this process now is called freezing, freezing, okay? So freezing is a change from liquid to solid by cooling. Freezing is a change from liquid to solid by cooling, okay? So if you put your water into freezer, it will change into ice, and ice is a solid, okay? So freezing is a change from liquid to solid by cooling. Also, melted ice cream will return back to solid state by cooling and this process now is called freezing. Okay, so melting is a change from solid to liquid by heating, but freezing is a change from liquid to solid by cooling, okay? Now with evaporation. Evaporation is a change from liquid to gas by heating. Change from liquid to gas by heating. Okay? So by heating, water will change into steam or water vapor like that by heating. And this process now is called evaporation. Evaporation is a change from liquid to gas by heating. And now with the last process is condensation. Condensation is a change of matter from gas to liquid by cooling. Change of matter from gas to liquid by cooling. You can see small drops of water on the outside of the cold window of the car, right? It happens because the water vapor in the air will change into liquid. The water vapor in the air will change into liquid or water by cooling, and this process is called condensation. Condensation is a change from gas to liquid by cooling, okay? Also in cool mornings, you can find small drops of water on grass Because the water vapor in the air will change into water by cooling, and this process is called condensation. Okay, so condensation is a change from gas to liquid by cooling. Okay, change from one state to another by heating or cooling. Okay, and we have four processes to change, like from solid to liquid by heating. From solid to liquid by heating, this process is called melting. But from liquid to solid by cooling, this process is called freezing. And from liquid to gas by heating, this process is called evaporation. And from gas to liquid by cooling, this process is called condensation.
Solid, liquid, gas are the three different states. These phases of matter change what the matter makes. If water's solid, it's ice. If it's liquid, it's water. If the water is a gas, then it turns to water vapor. Melting is going from a solid to a liquid. Evaporating is going from a liquid to a gas. Condensation is going from a gas to a liquid. Freezing is going from a liquid to a solid.
And with quiz time. Okay, true or false? Number one, solids change into liquid by freezing. We cannot change solid to liquid by freezing. No, it's wrong. Solid change into liquid by melting, not freezing. Okay. Number two, we can feel gas like air or strong wind. Yes, it's true. We can feel gas, but we can't see the gas because gas has no color. Okay. Who am I? Change from gas to liquid. Condensation. Number two, from ice to water. Who am I? Ice to water. Melting. From liquid to solid is freezing. And from liquid to gas or steam, evaporation. Thank you for watching and goodbye.